This morning for video blog number 3, we head up to the summit of Pacaya and we're testing one of our geophysical stations. So geophysical stations include things like infrasound, so sound generated by the volcano, and seismic activity, so that's ground motion generated by the volcano. So we are here. There's Tom and Armando, our amazing guide. Hi Armando. And Tanuka's in the trees over there. She's getting out our infrasound and seismic sensor and changing around the battery. So what we're looking for here is when the volcano degasses and maybe bubbles are bursting from the conduit, these generate sound waves, and these are sound waves which we can't hear with our own hearing. So we need a special sensor to be able to sense that. So we found some great things over the past few days with our low-cost version of the sensor, which we've been comparing to a higher cost version, which is more of an industry standard for detecting these things. So that's what we're doing this morning. And the goal for this project is comparing this kind of data with the sound waves and the seismic waves generated by the bursting gas bubbles or whatever's going on in the conduit at the summit area, perhaps stromboli explosions, with the gas data we get from the side to see what we can understand about the dynamics of the system and what's going on.